Back to my channel Career Tutorial. Friends, today I am going to tell you something about TOEFL exam that is conducted by ETS. Previously I had made a video on GRE examination which is also conducted by ETS. It is a world class and you can say world level, international level organizing body which conducts a lots of examination. That's why I am going to tell you about something about TOEFL examination. TOEFL examination, TOEFL, that is Test of English as Foreign Language. This is the test conducted by ETS to confirm that you are eligible or not in the prescribed English language in which you are going to study in that foreign university. It is the test which is very compulsory for you to get qualified to get a study and get admission in the foreign language English based universities like Oxford and Cambridge, like that. After qualifying in GRE examination, you will have to appear at this examination. It is a language proficiency test which is conducted by this ETS body, and they give you some level of the marking ranging from 0 to 100 like that, and after that it is a cutoff you will have to clear, and the universities in which you are going to study you will have to show your cutoff there and to get admission, so that you may not have to problem while understanding and studying those curriculum and whatever their syllabus is, because the foreign language is a compulsory language, and when you get admission in the foreign universities you will have to study all those things in their language. That's why it is very important examination. Conducts this examination at a educational testing service. It is a, you can say, global institutions which was earlier I have also said in the previous video in GRE that it was established to conduct the tests and various different types of examinations for getting admissions abroad and on the international level, and this is a very important examination. Along with it you will have to very careful and also be very laborious your previous academic backgrounds as well as your language, speaking language, writing, listening, these all are tested in this examination, and you will have to qualify very much and efficiently in this so that you can get admission abroad, and this is the basic things. This test is conducted for non-native English speakers. I mean the country where English is not the native language, then the students coming from that country needs to appear at this examination, because think if you are the citizen of that country or you are NRI student living there, then you will not have to appear at this examination. It is only for those who are non-native English speakers. This examination is conducted when you have appeared at the GRE examination and other examinations for the abroad and you want to apply for language proficiency test, then you will have to appear at this examination. And after graduation you can do this certificate course, because it provides you the certificate that you are eligible, you are very much fluent in the English language. That's why they conduct this test, and it is a general test which you can appear. Hey friends, this was all about the TOEFL examination. Hope so you like the video, and if you like then subscribe to our channel and also share to your friends and family. If you are new then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. If you have any doubt then comment in the comment section, and we will also be available there for every time.